Hey, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer. The question I got today was, Teddy, how do I find my LinkedIn QR code? So I figured I'll show you where that is on LinkedIn, and then I'll show you some ways that you can use it. So your QR code you get to from the home page of your mobile app, whether it's on an iPhone or an Android. So go to the home page. You can see right here in the search bar, there's a little, the 4 little dots, little boxes under search. So if I click on those, it brings up LinkedIn QR code. Now, if there's a QR code on the screen, then my camera is going to scan whatever QR code shows up. But right now, I'm going to focus on showing you how to use yours. You got to click on My Code, and there's your QR code. Now, what I recommend you do is either save it to Photos, or what you can do is do a screenshot of it. And once you do a screenshot, you can trim it down. You can trim a little tighter. And then once you trim it down, then you can save it, share it. I can save it as an image. I can airdrop it and put it in another computer if my airdrop was working. I can send it as a message to myself, or any of these other tools, or just drop it on my computer. Now, once you've done that, when I hit done, it's going to ask me if I want to save it to Photos. Again, I could save it to Photos if I want to, or I can delete the screenshot. Now, once you have that QR code, what I suggest you do is look for some innovative ways you can use it. One way you could use it is that you could put it on your website. You could put it on an email signature. You could put it on a PDF or in a Word document or in your book, on the back page of your book. You could put it on the bottom of your brochures. You're going to really want to put this QR code anywhere that your target audience may be able to find it and then use it. But I recommend you don't just put the QR code, you put some text around it so you're clearly telling people, hey, this is how you get to me on LinkedIn. And so from a mobile device, because again, it only works from a mobile device. So this is what I recommend do. Take the QR code, capture it, save it, share it in lots of relevant and appropriate places so that when people click on it, they'll go directly to your LinkedIn profile on LinkedIn. I'm Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer, and I hope this idea about QR codes is helpful for you. Hey, real quick, before you leave, I want to share with you something I'm doing that may be of interest to you. And that is, I've created a LinkedIn support, training, and coaching group. And the purpose of this group is for me to be alongside of you in every step you take using LinkedIn as a business tool. So through this private group, which is on Facebook, using a Facebook educational group, which is really a cool design for training and coaching and support, and for me to share articles and videos and content and information, and for us to engage in conversations with each other as well as other members of the group. Again, the goal from this private group is for me to be with you long term to be able to help you get the greatest possible value out of your use of LinkedIn as a business tool. So go to burrissconsulting.com/group. Take a look at it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me and ask me, and I'd be more than glad to help you. Thank you for letting me share this with you.